In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check penalty points on Driving License UK 2025. Easy. Checking penalty points on your driving license in the UK in 2025 is very straightforward thanks to the online services provided by the DVLA Driver and Vehicle Licensing Agency. If you've committed a driving offense, such as speeding or using your phone while driving, points are added to your license, and it's important to keep track of them since they can affect your insurance cost and even your eligibility to drive. To check your points, visit the official GOV UK View Driving License service using any web browser on your phone or computer. You'll need your driving license number, your national insurance number, and the postcode registered to your license. Once you enter these details and log in, the system will display your current driving record. This includes your personal details, the type of vehicles you're allowed to drive, any disqualifications, and the penalty points you currently have on your license. The service is free and available 24/7, making it the easiest and most reliable way to check. If you prefer, you can also request your driving record by post using a form D888, although this takes longer. Some insurance companies may also check your points directly with your permission when giving you a quote, but using the DVLA service ensures you can see your own record instantly. If you discover that you have active penalty points, keep in mind that they usually remain on your license for between 4 and 11 years depending on the offense. Staying aware of your record helps you avoid surprises and ensures you can take steps to improve your driving if needed. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.